Blessings, beautiful people of the world. Alex here. Mermaid found in Jamaica. Could this be true? Now, there is a social media video circulating of a mermaid that was seen at Flatbridge in Jamaica, that's in St. Catherine. Well, we all know that, we grew up hearing that this is a myth, that mermaids aren't real. However, with this video, it has got me really looking. So guys, I'm gonna ask you to watch this video and let me know what you think. Okay? Blessings.
Bumbo clock, watch a mermaid, a sword, one.
No, blood clot!
Allah, Jesus Christ! I wish you gone! Jesus! Me can't be. Bumbo clock, watch a mermaid, a sword, one.
No! Blood clot!
Jesus Christ! I wish you gone! Jesus! Me can't.
So guys, this is the video. It actually looks real. It looks like a human head that went under the water. Then there is a tail. And
Bumbo clock, watch a mermaid, a sword, one.
No, blood clot!
Allah, Jesus Christ! I wish you gone! Jesus! Me can't be. Bumbo clock, watch a mermaid, a sword, one.
No, blood clot!
Allah, Jesus Christ! I wish you gone! Jesus! Me can't be.
okay people, remember to subscribe to, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and click the notification icon so you never an update. Thank you for joining me.